In here as well, there are some differences, but I believe these are based on the updated information Roo has based on what functionality it has developed. This database design was created initially when we were having conversation with ChatGPT, and it might not have that much of context or that much of in-depth detail when it created this schema. Now see this transaction files, and here we have transactions table, but this one is our transactions. We have ID, amount, all of these details, user ID, file ID. Here we have user ID, source, merchant, category we have, but I don't see merchant. ID, amount, description, category. Okay, maybe we don't need the merchant info, or if we need, we'll need to add it later. Transaction have deviations. Transaction tags had transaction ID tag, but we have ID, name, transaction ID, and these timestamps, and updated at, like created at, updated at. Then this insights table. Now the next step for it to test migration, I'm not sure how it is going to do that, because we haven't configured the database with our code yet. Let's see what it does. First, it is creating the readme file so that if anybody wants to know how to use it. The directory contains scripts for AI Finance Tracker application, creates the initial database schema, user, session, file, transaction tag, see data py. Running migration, we have to do this upgrade head, grade, downgrade -1, version, revision, and then revision. Okay. Database configuration. Database connection configured in settings.py and is set to SQLite by default. To use a different database, update the database URL in the settings file or set the environment variables. So I think we can use SQLite at this point because it will be easier for us to quickly get going and have the database running. Though we know if we want to use Postgres, that is also fine, but since it has already configured SQLite, let's just go ahead with that. Stores user account information and all of these details. So it is looking for a SQLite file which is named financetracker.db.